In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can delete users on a PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you need to go ahead and do is make your way on the PS5 home screen and go ahead and navigate up to settings up in the top right. Select this, scroll down on here until you see users and accounts, open this up. And once you're in this menu, you need to go ahead and go to the very bottom of this menu and you're going to see a little delete user section on here. Select this, find the user that you're trying to go ahead and delete, for example, select them, and then of course you just got to hit yes to confirm. Now keep in mind that the console is essentially warning you here that it's going to remove their save data, their screenshots, their video clips. It's going to remove everything from this PS5. So make sure you are 100% certain. If you are, once again, hit yes to confirm. And after that, the user will be deleted from the console. You can repeat the same steps for really any other user that you want to remove, but that's going to be the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.